me. Well, that's the end of that trip. My cake!
Oh, skip down the bit of Bible, do ski the bit of Bible, skip
Why,
the bit
that
of
run Popeye. He ain't getting all of this time.
I don't diddly do them skip the bit of Bible, skip the bit of
Get out of my way, shorty.
I was here first, you big Bluto. I'll fix it, Polly.
Not so fast, runt. There you are, doll face.
Oh, thanks. You fixed it good, Bluto. Oh, Papa, you're wonderful.
Popeye, you did a great job. I know when I'm licked. So, away I go.
You know, Ellen, he ain't such a bad guy.
That sap certainly fell for that line.
By a waterfall, I'm calling you. We can share it all beneath a sea